Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we got a little stash ad. A little package showed up in the mail from Hobby Nut Models today. Yes, I've been waiting for this. I ordered this last week and I'm excited to see what we got. Well, I already know what I got, but you know, I thought I'd bring you along and show you what we picked up. Like I say, a little extra stash ad for the shop here and go from there. So yeah, first off, I got some paints and some paint supplies. You can never have enough paints. I mean, it's just, I go through them a lot. So speaking of going through a lot of stuff is the leveling thinner. I go through this stuff quite a bit. So it's nice to use this for most applications. Now, if you're using a lot of the Tamiya paints, especially like the weird colors or the flat colors, you don't really want to use this because sometimes it can change the sheen of the flatness, just because it takes longer to dry. Now, I'm a big enamel shooter, you guys know that, and this stuff, I love it. It works great for that, and I like this because it's organic, so it works in lacquer, it works in enamel, it works in pretty much everything, and it's just great stuff. So if you guys have never used it, give it a try. I mean, it's my go-to stuff. I do have other thinners here, but this is my primary #1 stuff. So I always have to keep it on hand. So, I mean, I'm going through enough of it, you'd think I'm drinking the stuff, but that'd probably be bad. So, other than that, I got another bottle of the MCW hardener. So, another thing, I go through a lot of this stuff here. I mean, I go through much of this like I do the thinner. And so I did my group machine. My street machine group build, my Mustang. I did that a while back, and I used the Alpine white enamel from MCW. That does not have hardener in it. I didn't have any. So the big difference with the hardener, with not using and using it, you can go either way. It doesn't really matter. But the part that does matter is that took about a week to cure. I got dehydrated here. I did not put it in my little Suzy bake oven, as I call it, and it took probably a week to make it to where it's like I can handle it. Now if I put hardener in it, I can be easy 2 days just sitting on the bench, maybe 3 tops, and I'm working with it. If I put it in dehydrator, 15 hours later, it's a workable model. I can sand it and polish it if I wanted to. So this stuff's kind of a must if you guys are going to shoot enamel paint, especially the MCW. So gotta have it. So right now I'm working on the Revell all new tooling 71 Boss 351, and I'm painting it MCW Candy Apple Red with the black striping. So I ordered another bottle. I have a bottle already on the shelf, but just in case things don't go too good and we gotta do a redo, I want to have some extras just in case. I'm hoping not. We should be good, but you never know. So I got another bottle of that. Another bottle I got is Midnight Blue Metallic. I tell you what, guys, this is a sweet looking color. This is beautiful looking. If you put this on like a silver base or something like that, this is beautiful looking. Or if you need to do a gold base, this color is really sharp, another color I got was a MCW Grabber Green Metallic. So I have a regular Grabber Green I've had sitting on the shelf. So I'm going to show you the difference between metallic and non-metallic. What a difference in sheen, like the color, the tone. So these are both MCW enamels. So I'll put the label to the front so you can see the difference, so you know which one's what. Let me spin them around here for you. So check that out. Check out the color difference between metallic and non-metallic. Same color, just one with metallic. Isn't that something? I mean, what a difference. I think this would look good on that Mustang, maybe coming up. Last 2 bottles of paint I got. Another bottle of black Tamiya. This is lacquer, the LP1. I go through a lot of this stuff. And another one is the flat white LP4 Tamiya lacquer. I'm not a big like acrylic painter. I'm not a big fan of it. It's just, for me, this is just me. I mean, I know a lot of you guys shoot acrylics, and hey, that's great. If it works good for you, hey, no problem. But for me, I'm a slow painter sometimes, and if I let it sit in the gun for a little bit, acrylic just seems to like gull my gun up a little bit, so I don't usually shoot it. I do like that the workability is quick and everything else, but the lacquers are kind of the same way. You can work with these pretty fast. So this flat white, I bought this for that Knight Rider Special Pursuit Mode car, for where all the spoilers and everything come out. That's what I got this for, because I think we can do that all in flat white. So that's where we're going with that. Other than that, got a couple kits, some new model kits here, and I had to get another one. I had to have it. I'm building the one. Got another 71 Mustang from Revell. Yeah, so I'm telling you what, guys, you guys need to get this kit. It is an amazing builder so far, and I'm telling you, it's such a cool model. So I'm doing a build series on this right now, and I'm doing a start to finish on it. So go back to my channel, check out some of the videos on it. Those are going on right now. So I actually have the car in the oven as we speak. That's the noise you hear in the background. Sitting primer for the second time. Another kit I got. This kit here, I got the auto transport trailer a while back, and I thought, you know what? I need a tractor. I need a semi to haul this thing. Got to tow it around with something. So Mark had this down there, so I picked up the Peterbilt 359 conventional by Revell. So this is a Revell of Germany kit. This isn't the high partless kit like some of them they make, which I really would like that. I'd kind of like that cab over International, like the 1975 or whatever that year is. That's a kit I really like to get with the opening doors. But this one will do. This one suffice. I like it. This will work. So, and you know, for an auto hauler, I don't want something too fancy for it anyways. But being this type of auto hauler, this might be more of a over the road, you know, long distance. But hey, this will fill in the job. This will do good. I do like this because it does have the American flag series on it. I think that's sharp as can be. And like I say, this is a Germany, Revell of Germany. So this is a 2020 model kit, and it has parts count is 116. So not a lot. So that's okay, because you know what? That means it's going to be a quick build, and it won't be a complicated month-long build with the other model kits of the trucks that are like 300 plus. So for what I'm doing with this will fill the job. This will fill the void perfect. So excited to get this, and I'm going to get on these projects here coming up and get those going. So yeah, guys. So like I say, everything here come from Hobby Nut Models. So go down, check out the inventory down there, and check out the website and see what you guys get. You know, pick yourself up something. So like I said, that Mustang is a very cool kit. Like I said, I know they're going fast everywhere you look. So they were an anticipated kit, you know, highly anticipated, because it's a new tool and it's a nice builder. So I'm building one right now. Love it. Love it. So anyways, I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the channel, and I tell you what, we will see you on the next build. You guys have a good one, and thanks for watching.